Hi balloon mates! In this video I will make a balloon garland on both sides of the stand, and I will use just two colors, latte and white. I use two core clusters in this video. If you're not familiar how I make my clusters, watch my previous video about this and I will link that in the description box. I use the neck-to-neck technique for a tighter look. I tied the garland to the stand using 2/60s, and the last cluster I placed horizontally because I intend to make the base wider. And I did the same thing on the other side of the stand. Since I have small space, I couldn't make the base wider than I wanted to. I would just like to show you some tips on how to do it. On the end part of the last cluster that I placed horizontally, I grabbed a neck and tied it to another cluster which I placed vertically. Then, the end of the cluster, I will tie to the neck of the adjacent cluster that is tied to the stand. Then I add another cluster on top of the last cluster that I fixed. And then the other end I had difficulty of tying it to the adjacent cluster. So I grabbed the 260 and tie them together like this. I try not to cover the cluster I placed before the newer clusters, so I placed them slightly at the back, enough for it to be seen, so I named it the second layer cluster. And I just did the same thing on the other side. For more organic look, the triplet with the rubber bands. I bought this beautiful artificial baby's breath from Temu. I don't know how they are exactly called, but I call it baby's breath. Comment down below, how do you call these? I bought 50 pieces for 99 euros, and I think I should order more because I like them. They are small, but they have elegant impact on garlands. The tips are so pointed that they will definitely pop the balloons, so I cover them with painter's tape. If you haven't subscribed yet to my channel, please do by clicking the subscribe button and the notification bell so you won't miss any of my future videos. That's it, guys. Thank you for watching and see you on my next video. Bye bye.